Welcome back to AC Mastery. In Episode 6, we're tackling one of the most important installations in modern cooling systems, the split AC indoor unit. If you're a beginner or aspiring technician, this is your step-by-step guide to getting it right the first time. Here are the tools you'll need: power drill, spirit level, measuring tape, screwdriver set, wall bracket, pencil, wall anchors, and screws. And, safety first. Always switch off the main power. Make sure the wall can bear the weight of the unit. Location matters, so follow these guidelines. Install 7 feet from the floor, keep at least 6 inches of clearance above the unit, avoid direct sunlight or heat sources, and ensure easy access for maintenance. Plus, the indoor and outdoor units should be within 10 to 15 feet for best piping efficiency. Now let's mount the indoor unit. First, mark drill holes using the bracket. Next, drill and fix anchors into the wall. After that, secure the wall bracket tightly. Then create a 3-inch hole for piping, making sure it's slightly sloped downwards. Finally, mount the indoor unit onto the bracket, ensuring the copper pipes, wires, and drain hose all align through the hole. Now connect the copper refrigerant pipes and remember to tighten carefully with a spanner. Attach the drain hose and make sure there's a downward slope for proper flow. Then, connect the power wires, following the manufacturer's wiring diagram exactly. Oh, and here's a pro tip: never bend copper pipes too sharply because it restricts coolant flow. And that's it. Your indoor unit is now mounted and ready for outdoor unit connection and vacuuming. In Episode 7, we'll cover how to install and test the outdoor split AC unit. Don't miss it! Like, subscribe, and share for more HVAC skills made simple.